Hello everybody, myself Geeta. I'll teach every day one aptitude question and one GK question. Children from 5th standard can learn this. I will read the question. What least number should be added to 2497 so that the sum is exactly divisible by 5, 6, 4 and 3. The options given are option A 3, option B 13, option C 23, option D 33. I will tell you one thing here. Whenever you come across the word least or the word lower, we have to find out LCM, that is least common multiple. We have to find the least common multiples for the numbers 5, 6, 4 and 3. It is given in the question. So we have to find out LCM for these numbers. I will tell you how to find out. Now first we have to write these numbers here 5, 6, 4, 3 and we have to find the least number to divide all these numbers. So to divide all these numbers, 2 would be the least number. From 2 we can divide 6 and 4. 3 and 5 will not be divided by 2. So we shall write those numbers as it is and we can divide in next step. Now we shall divide here first, which is divisible by 2. 6 is divisible by 2. That is 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So these two numbers will be divided by 2. Again here we can observe we have 2 in this second row. We have 5, 3, 2 and 3. Again here 2 can be divided from the least multiple, that is 2. 2 ones are 2. Now rest other things we can write it as it is, that is 5, 3 and 3 is not divisible by 2. So we can write it as it is. Now among these numbers 5, 3 and 3, 3 is the lowest one. So we can divide 3 directly by 3. So 3 is the least multiple here. So when we divide 3 and 3 by 3, we get 0 as a reminder, that is 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Now we are left out with only one number, that is 5. So here we have no option, so we can divide it by 5 itself. We can divide 5 by 5 itself in order to reach our destiny, that is 1, 1, 1, 1. Once we get these things, now we have to multiply these multiples, that is 2 into 2 equal to 4, 4 into 3 equal to 12, 12 into 5 equal to 60. Once we get the LCM as 60, we have to divide 60 by 2497. When we divide it, we get the remainder as 37. When we divide 2497, 60 into 41, we get 2460 and we get the remainder as 37. Now we can remove 37 from 60. Why we have to do that? Because here we are asked to add some number to 2497 so that number will be exactly divisible. That is, the remainder should be 0 when we divide with 5, 6, 4 and 3. So in order to do that, we have to take out 30 from 60. When we remove 60 from 37, we get 23. and we have to add 23 to 2497 so that it will be divisible by 5, 6, 4 and 3. We have 23 as option C here. Option C 23. So 23 is the answer. Hope you understood this. Now we shall move to GK question. How many countries are there in the world? There are 195 countries in the world today. 193 countries have taken the membership from UN, that is United Nations, and 2 countries that are non-members, and they are Holy See and the state of Palestine. We shall see where these 195 countries are located. There are 6 continents in the world. In that, 54 countries are located in Africa, 48 in Asia, 44 in Europe, 33 in Latin America and Caribbean, 14 in Oceania, or like it is the continent of Australia, then 2 in North America. Hope you understood all these things. Thank you.